Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use my favorites feature on TikTok. TikTok allows you to put videos you liked into favorites section and watch them later. Also, you have the chance to save hashtags, songs and video effects you liked and use them later. Follow these steps and you'll find out how you can use this TikTok feature. If you find a hashtag or song you like, tap to open it. Once the window opens, press on the Add to Favorites icon. If you, while scrolling through the home page, find the video you would like to save in order to watch it later, then click on the arrow icon on the right. From the pop-up menu, choose the Add to Favorites option. Now, in order to find the favorites section, go to your TikTok profile page, hit the bookmark icon. As soon as the favorites section opens, you will be able to see all your saved videos, hashtags, sounds, and effects. For instance, if you press on the video, you will have an opportunity to rewatch it. If you click on the saved effect, you will be moved to a page where you can review all the videos that use this effect. What is more, you can press on the button to try this effect or hit the Edit to Favorites icon and unsave it. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use my favorites feature on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.